We got some people getting active. What we doing? Don't go sideways. Oh, we getting active. We getting active. Look at that. What's this? So this the vet. This the McLaren. This is tough. All right, guys, we got the fleet. Lights go crazy though. Got the Christmas lights. You supposed to illuminate that, twin. What y'all doing? Oh, this Challenger going crazy. This Challenger going crazy. See, I like stuff like this. This M4, okay. Can't go wrong with that. I like that bike. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? We outside. You already know.
Outside, boys, step outside.
Yes,
it's always
indeed.
a movie.
Yes,
I don't
indeed.
miss.
Yes, indeed.
I don't miss.
What's up, bro? Yeah. Trying to get on the vlog?
Yeah, you know
Let's
what it
go.
is.
Let's get it.
What's up,
Okay. The M3? Yeah. Old school M3. Ooh, them rims, though. Them rims go tough. I know this move. Oh, but I missed that V8, though. You feel me? No, they need to bring back the V8s and the V10s for the M3 and M5. Oh, this is a GTR. I didn't even realize this. This tip go crazy. Oh, we got some people getting active. What we doing? Can't get over this Challenger, bro. This a cat too. Alright guys, time for some pull-offs. Came up with the Christmas lights. We getting active. We getting active. Sound good. German muscle, American muscle. Headlights is tough.